Hey folks, Dave Lentz with ReasonandBalance.com. An article on Axio on November the 9th, 2025 about a speech or statement made by Todd Blanche, the second in command at Pam Bondi's Justice Department, had me extremely upset when I first glanced at it. In fact, it had me big time fighting mad. I've reread it a few times. It's very short. And as a result, I've cooled down quite a bit because giving Mr. Blanche the benefit of the doubt, I don't think he was talking about prosecuting, intimidating, disbarring, or disobeying judges, which is what I originally thought. Instead, I think he was giving his lawyers a pep talk about fighting in court using proper procedures, judges who have a liberal agenda. Fighting fair and obeying the rules is perfectly normal and proper. I only make this video because increasingly I worry about Trump's intentions to the point of where I am on constant edge and in fear for our democracy. I think he, meaning Trump, is very worried about being prosecuted and jailed if he leaves office. So he's like a cornered, desperate animal and won't go peacefully without a big-time fight, which could be very, very bloody in the literal sense. Judges have no army. They have no ability to pay themselves. They have no ability to defend themselves. They have very limited ability to enforce court orders on their own. The source of their power really is the respect the public has for the judicial system and for judges. If Trump, Attorney General Bondi, or the Justice Department ever do anything to intimidate, harm, or threaten judges, or evidence an intention to disregard court orders or to destroy the independence and co-equal status of the Supreme Court or the courts generally, then a red line will have been crossed, and the American public would, in my opinion, have the right to revolt because Trump would be evidencing a clear intention not to uphold the Constitution, which he is legally obligated to do. Moreover, failing to revolt under such circumstances would mean that all of us would be living in a lawless dictatorship, and we would probably be condemning our children to the same fate.